Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to cut a long layered disconnected haircut, inspired by the Japanese Hime Haircut. You will learn how to combine long layers in the back with strong disconnection in the front, with advanced texturizing techniques to embrace the client's natural hair texture. We zone our haircut with the client's natural parting and from the apex to behind the ears. In the back zone, we will be taking pivotal sections, creating round distribution. Our cutting angle will be square. Maintaining maximum length, we will take our guide from the length at the occipital bone. We elevate our sections square, 90 degrees straight up to the ceiling, and cut with a square cutting line. We cut every new section 1 comb in width, cutting on base. Combining round distribution horizontally with square elevation and a square cutting angle vertically, we will remove bulk and create a flatter shape vertically, and taking pivotal sections and working with round distribution horizontally, we will create softness, creating slightly more body in the crown zone when completed. Combining techniques to create an advanced, long, layered shape. I now gently point cut my line to complete the back. Once we complete the layering process, we take diagonal back sections. Using my slicing scissor, I gently remove weight. Taking clean, fine sections, I gently allow my scissor to remove bulk. This will remove weight whilst creating maximum texture and movement in the shape. We continue this process until we complete the back zone. If you'd like to see more layered haircut tutorials from basic to advanced, check the playlist in the cards above. We now move into the front zone. In this zone, we will be cutting our disconnection. This zone will be cut using a square line cutting technique, cutting the line in natural fall. I have chosen to cut my line under the jawline to frame and complement my client's face shape. We continue to take horizontal sections, combing every section into natural fall before cutting a square line. If you struggle cutting your one length line haircut, I've created this playlist for you. This is an easy step-by-step instruction to mastering your round, square, and concave lines. Check out the card above, or I will link the playlist in the bio below. Once we finish cutting our line, we refine the front zone with the same slicing technique from the back. If you've liked this tutorial or learned something new, please do me a massive favor and share this with your friends, and like and subscribe. And in the comments below, let me know where you're watching from and what haircut tutorials you'd like to see next. Once we have completed both sides and double checked the balance of our haircut shape, we create soft face framing using a slicing and point cutting technique, using the lip area as my guide to slice back down towards the line, removing the corner from the square shape we cut in the side zones. We complete this process on both sides, working freehand and using the lip zone as our guide on both sides. We now move on to the curtain bang. Half of my normal fringe zoning was used in the face frame. I used the eye as my guide for the shortest length in my fringe. I over-direct my section around the head shape to help create an over-directed triangular cutting line that complements the client's head shape. I continue to take small sections until the curtain bang is completed on both sides. I diffuse the haircut with sea salt spray and a little serum to enhance the client's natural hair texture. This is my advanced, disconnected, long-layered Japanese Hime haircut. If you liked this tutorial, please hit the like and subscribe icons, and I'll see you next week. Be sure to watch this tutorial next.